Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to the magic of Guyanese fried rice. You can master this authentic, flavorful dish in mere minutes. It's truly a unique take on classic fried rice, packed with savory notes and a vibrant aroma. Learning its secrets will allow you to transform simple ingredients into an extraordinary meal. Impress your family and friends with this delicious, surprisingly easy-to-make dish that everyone will adore. To make this extraordinary meal, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. Start with day-old cooked rice, which is essential for the best texture. Then, gather your choice of protein, perhaps chicken, shrimp, or even tofu. Fresh aromatics like garlic, ginger, and scallions are key. A crucial touch is a combination of soy sauce and a hint of browning for that signature Guyanese color and deep flavor. These pantry staples transform into something truly special. The secret to perfect Guyanese fried rice lies in the sizzle, cooking ingredients separately. First, brown your chosen meat or tofu in a hot wok or large pan until it's beautifully golden and flavorful. Remove it, then add your fresh aromatics like minced garlic, grated ginger, and sliced scallions. Sauté them briefly until they release their incredible fragrance, filling your kitchen with an inviting aroma. This layered approach builds rich depth of flavor. Now for the exciting part. The fry and mixing it all up. Quickly reintroduce your cooked protein to the wok, ensuring everything stays hot. Then, add your day-old rice, stirring vigorously to break up any clumps and coat each grain with flavor. Pour in your special blend of soy sauce and browning, ensuring every grain gets that beautiful, rich color. Keep stirring constantly, allowing the rice to slightly crisp up, creating wonderful textures throughout. In just about 25 minutes, your incredibly flavorful Guyanese fried rice is ready to serve. Garnish generously with fresh chopped scallions for a burst of color and a final touch of fresh flavor. This versatile dish pairs wonderfully with various Guyanese sides, like plantains or a fresh garden salad. It's perfect as a quick weeknight meal or a star at any gathering. Now, go ahead and savor every delightful bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.